Hi, my friends. Welcome back to Mr. Teddy's Pre-K. If you like these videos, ask your mom or dad if they could like them, and that'll help out our channel a whole lot, okay? I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to talk about counting up to 5. And when we count, we're going to talk about how to touch each item when we're counting. That's called one-to-one correspondence. That's a big old grown-up word. And all that means is whenever you say something or say a number and you count, that you touch what you're counting at the same time that you say the number. Let me show you what I mean. I've got a set of stars here. Let's see how many stars I have. Now, when I count them, I'm going to use my counting finger, which is my index finger. It's the same finger you use when you're reading. It might be on your right hand, or you might use your left hand. Either way is okay, but you want to use your first finger. That's called your index finger. Now, whenever I count, I'm going to say a number as soon as I touch that thing. We're counting stars. So as soon as I touch the star, I have to say the number. Now you remember when we're reading, we touch under the word. But when you're counting objects like stars, you touch the thing you're counting. Are you ready to count with me? Good. Here we go. Get your counting finger ready. You can count right on your computer or right on your monitor. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you see how I picked up my finger and then put it back down? And each time I picked it up, I touched the next star. I didn't touch under, I touched on it. And I counted at the same time. Let's do it again, and we're going to do it a little faster. Get your counting finger ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 stars in my set. Remember, a set, it means a group of things. I have got a group of stars. Now that's one way you can count, by touching the objects. There's another way you can count. It's when you move the things you're counting, like this. I'm going to use my whole hand this time, not just my counting finger. But every time I pull a star down or I move a star, then I count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you see how I pulled them down each time I counted? Let's do that again together. I'm going to go put my stars back up on top. All right, get your counting hand ready and pretend that you're pulling the stars down as we count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 stars. So when you're counting little things, you can touch each object or you can move it or pull it as you count. Now, we can do that easily if our things we're counting are all in a little choo-choo line. All of my stars are all in a little line, so that made it really easy to see. But what if my stars were not all in a choo-choo line? What if they were like this? What if they were all spread out across the board? And I said, how many stars do I have all together? Let's try the touching way first. Ready? Get your counting finger ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still have 5 stars. Now, could I pull them down while I'm counting when they're in this formation? Sure, I can. It just might look a little different. Get your counting hand ready, your grabbing hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time I touched a star and pulled it down, I said a different number and I counted. Very good, my friends. That's how you count using your counting finger or pulling things down or pulling things away as you say the numbers. Now, what if our set is not in a choo-choo line and they're not little and they're big and they take up the whole tray or the whole paper or the whole board, wherever it is you're counting? How can I count these things, which are pretty butterflies? How can I count them? Well, let's try both ways. First, with our counting finger. Every time you touch a butterfly, I want you to count with me. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 butterflies. Now, can I pull them down to count? They're on a circular tray. That might be a little difficult, but let's try it. Get your counting hand ready. We're going to move them as we count. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 butterflies. And they're not in a straight line, but they're sort of in a little rainbow, right? Or little arc. Whenever you're counting things, remember, you have to say the number at the same time that you touch something. Or say the number at the same time that you pull something or move something. Good job, everybody. Good counting. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.